Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix CapCut templates hidden. So if this video helps you, subscribe. It's really simple. So first of all, if it's hidden, you can try updating, but it probably won't show. So how to find them is really simple. Go out of CapCut and go to Google and type in CapCut.com and just open the CapCut online website. Stay with me. And then we are here. So here to the left, you're going to see template just like that. Now we have templates, so you can find your template. I'm just gonna get this one, for example. So click on your template, select the aspect ratio. And yeah, select your one. I'm gonna use this. Click on use this template. And if this video helps you, subscribe. It really supports me. And now it needs to load a bit. And you might need to wait a bit, but yeah, normal. I go back to let's finish. So here it is. It's your whole template. You can upload media here, drag it down it. Here are some stock videos you can use, and to export it, click on the top right corner, export and save it. So hopes